So hi, we're just going to take a look at the operation and maintenance manual template. If you're looking to create an operation and maintenance manual, then this template's certainly an easy way to do it. So if you go to our website digitaldocumentsdirect.com and go to operation and maintenance manual template, you'll find a template that we're selling there on our website, and you can take a look at the features that we've highlighted on that web page. So let's have a look at the actual template itself, and we'll just run through what it looks like. So it's a Microsoft Word file, and it also includes a fully automated table of contents which has been created in Microsoft Word, so it's easy to update, easy to use, and it also has the navigation you can see here on the left hand side. So if you want to create an operation and maintenance manual quickly, then this is certainly a good way to go. So let's just jump through the sections and we'll take a bit of a look at what's included. So first of all, we've got a purpose and a scope. This is a great idea to show, to communicate what you intend the operation and maintenance manual to achieve. You can see here that any items that you can customize to suit your particular application are highlighted in red, so it's easy to go through and change the template to suit your particular purpose. Some of the other sections, the next section is system overview, so you can include a description here of the system that you're providing the operation and maintenance for. Safety precautions is the next one, which is a pretty important area to include in any operations or maintenance. So there's an opportunity there to customize this to suit your situation, including any emergency procedures or safety equipment required for personnel using any operations or maintenance at your particular situation. Operating procedures is another good section. If you need to include any descriptions on how to start any equipment up or shut any equipment down, then this is a good section here to include that into. Then we jump into maintenance procedures, where you can include any routine maintenance, preventative maintenance, or any other types of maintenance that's required for the equipment that you have in your particular business. Documentation and record keeping is also a very important section. It's great to show obviously maintenance records and log sheets of any maintenance that's been performed. Training and certification is another important section, and personnel obviously need to be trained to use particular equipment, so it's good to take a record and provide information on any of the certifications that might be required to operate the equipment. And then supplier information, it's also a good idea to record any warranty information or any contact information for any of the suppliers or the equipment that you have at your particular business. And then finally there's an appendix where you can add in general relevant information, such as a glossary or contact information and revision history for this particular manual. So that in a snapshot is a really quick overview of this operation and maintenance manual template. So take your time to have a look at it, and hopefully there's something there in it for you. Thanks for watching.